yiero. Some constitution. Okunju beni biro kakupugo. Gimatimore ni during an election. Kata in any by election or an election. IEBC bedogi command. Mar police. Imiye officers. More command.
That is true. That's
very true. Very true. Let you be guided.
Another point,
during an election. Let me just finish.
Just wait. Police officer, there is no day, Osido, don't lie. Onge chieng ma command mar police bedo transferred to another. Now, onge chieng ma command mar police bedo move from the IG to anybody else.
Koro gimatimre ka yiero nitie to IEBC is en gimilongo ni EMB, Electoral Management Body. Kata security mar election is managed by the IEBC. Because IEBC ni ema bro accredit police officer ma donj polling station. Police katibed gi badge, bed gi uniform, okibi donjo e polling station kionge gi thuolo mar IEBC. The electoral management body, in our case in IEBC, ema nigi command. Now, number 2, nitie gimilongo ni multi-sectoral partnership and collaboration. E kama kuro mheshimiwa ndiye kwacho ni IEBC within their security committee bro loso gi Inspector General of Police timiyo gi layout mar all the polling stations gi processes gite makata onge police ma bro dhi a ballot ni wadhi transport ballot ma is not accredited by the IEBC. Inyalo bedo police nin gi uniform itingo bunde but teko nino will not do anything unless the IEBC accredits you. Emomiyo ahead of the electoral process romo gite nyaka bede makata mana police IEBC ong'eyo police te ma imiye gi Inspector General of Police and the institution of the police mar mondo gidhi gi kony e yiero ni. To kata mana yudo ka samoro nitiere tulo mowuok, police nyalo bedo gi wakili margi ni ne jogore ex polling station koro wadhi e court. Ja wakili mar police kata ng'ama loso ne on behalf of the police will not show up in that case. It is your IEBC can get matcha is their process. Gini girgi. IEBC